Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well at your places. Students, we were solving a question, the question of HSC Preparatory online exam number 6. And we have already solved the half portion of this very question. This question, there were two topics. The first 20 questions were about preposition, and the last 20 questions about narration or narrative style. We have already completed two portions of this very solved class. We are in class number 3 now at this moment. And if you are a student of our institute, I am inviting you to join this class and watch the full video carefully so that you can understand why you answer were wrong and why you scored less than what you wanted to. So let's go. Firstly, we are in number 21. This question was about the classification of speech. The question was like this: there is or are dash part of direct speech. How many parts are there in a direct speech? Yes, students, in a direct speech there are two parts. The first one is called reporting verb, and the second one is called reported speech. So we got here two parts, reporting verb and reported speech. So here, question number 21, the correct answer should be 2. Option number 2 as well. Then we'll go to question number 22. In question number 22, there's a bracket and there is sentence inside the bracket. I told Mita that her mother was my friend. The sentence in the bracket is a report the speech, reporting verb, indirect speech or direct speech. So here we got a complex sentence, and the complex sentence, there is inverted comma at the edge of this sentence. So we cannot say it is a direct style of speech. And as it is not a direct speech, we cannot find here two portions of the sentence. In a direct speech, there are two portions. The first portion is called reporting verb, and the second portion is called reported speech. And as we said, that there is no existence of reported verb and reported speech, so it is not a direct speech. So we can say it is indirect speech, my dear students. So those who click here in the indirect speech, they got awarded with 1 mark. And we'll go to the question number 23 then. In question number 23, which one is the correct sentence? Here, this question is some sort of about correction, but the correction is about narration. The first option was, the boy says to his mother that he needs her help. You see, students, there are two inverted commas in the edge of the very sentence. But in the middle, you got a that as the linkers. So with this that, you can say it is indirect speech, but with this pair of reported commas, you have to say it is a direct style of speech. So it cannot be a speech, my dear students. It is a wrong sentence. And in option number 2, and in the option number 2, we got another sentence. The sentence is like this: she asked me what that was. You see here, she asked me if it is an interrogative sentence in the direct speech, you have to write asked in the lieu of said. So here we say asked, and if you use asked, you have to use a WH word or an if when you're starting the reporter's speech. Here we start the reporter's speech from here, and subject comes first and then verb, and subject came here first and secondly verb. So I can say it is correct. Whatever, we have to find is there another correct sentence. I said what a great job. I said what a great job cannot be any kind of speech. He ordered me to do not disturb. Here there is a redundancy, so it is also incorrect. So the correct sentence what we find here is she asked me what that was. And then we'll go to question number 24, my dear student. In question number 24, which can be a reporting verb among the following? Reporting verb. There is some reporting verb that we generally use when we talk or when we write something. They are said, told, remark, their utter, matter, ask, cried as well, speak up, speak out, shout, and etc. So they all can be used as a reporting verb, and we got here say, utter, matter. So we can say that all the verbs we used above are correct. So all of them will be the correct answer here. And then question number 25. In the question number 25, the question was like this: reporting verb or sentence may be used dash the reported speech. That means, where should you use the reporting verb? Here are three options. The first option, between two clauses. Like this, I want to show you the example here. Between two clauses. Welcome. He said, I am here for you. You see, the reported verb is used here between two clauses. Here I am just distinguishing this reporting verb with another ink. He said. And then the option is before. Reporting verb may be used before the reported speech. Yeah, you obviously can use the reporting verb before the reported speech, like this. I said to her, please help me. You see? So I'm again distinguishing the reporting verb from the sentence. Here, this is the reporting verb. And you see, the reporting verb has been used just before the reported speech. And after as well, yes, obviously we can use the reporting verb after the reported speech. This can be an example. Sometimes we only say welcome, he said. Welcome, he said. And then question number 26. In the question number 26, the question is like this: which part of direct speech needs a pair of inverted comma? Which parts of direct speech? That means, in the direct speech you need inverted comma, but we also know that in a direct speech there are two parts. So among these two parts of direct speech, which part need a pair of inverted comma? Inside a pair of inverted comma, the reported speech exists. Speech. So the reported speech will be the correct answer, my dear students. And then question number 27. In the question number 27, the question was like this: the man spoke out, why do I need for this sentence? The appropriate reporting sentence will be, it is a confusing sentence, my dear students. Confusing because the reported sentence is a question. And we know if the reported sentence is a question, we should use asked or question or ask about or inquire of as reporting verb of indirect speech. So the options are the man asked and the man question may be more choosable to you. But my dear student, there is a rule that if the direct speech are furnished with the reporting verb like this: speak out, cried, or cry, or utter, or mutter, then the reporting verb of the indirect speech cannot be changed. So here the question was, why do I need for this sentence the appropriate reporting sentence will be? So the reporting sentence will be the man spoke out. Here the man spoke out. So we did not change between them. We have to keep it as it is. Then we have to go in question number 28. In the question number 28, the question was like this: Hannah said, Russell, I need this pen. Indirect narrative style of this sentence is, here you have to do a narration, my dear student. Here you see Russell is only a name, it's not a vocative case. So you have to place in the object of the said or told. So you don't have to use addressing as or something like this. So you can choose these options. Hannah told Russell that she needed this pen. And then question number 29, my dear student. In the question number 29, the question was like this: which sentence is correct? Another correction sentence, my dear students. The first one is, welcome, I was waiting for you, he said. Welcome, I was waiting for you, he said. It is seemingly correct. And then, welcome, he said, I was waiting for you. This is also seeming correct answer. And the last one, he said, welcome, I was waiting for you. My God, this is also correct. So, all the above is the correct option, my dear student. And question number 30, the teacher said to the class, stand up. The indirect narration style of this sentence is, here you see, this is an imperative sentence, and in imperative sentence, as the sentence is spoken by a teacher, we can say it is an order. So we'll choose the order, the teacher ordered. So here, order, and then you have to use a to in the lieu of inverted comma, and we find here 2. So we can say it is correct. So my dear beloved students, this was the third portion of the solve class, and I hope you all enjoyed this class. I will do another class in terms of this question of online preparatory exam, and I hope you will enjoy that class as well. Hoping that I'm leaving today. Tata, bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.